Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we will start our topic, which is of biodiversity, chapter 3, and its topic of biology, subject biology. Today, we will start from question number 11. Differentiate between two kingdom system and five kingdom system along with advantages and disadvantages. As we know that two kingdom system, it was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in 1753, and five kingdom system, it was proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1969. Organisms are classified in two kingdoms, and it is based on nutrition and motility. And in five kingdom system, organisms, they are classified in five kingdoms, and it is based on cellular structure, complexity of body, and mode of nutrition, also evolution. Now, advantages. Plants and animals were divided into kingdom based on specific characters. But prokaryotes got separate kingdom because they are different from other organisms. It initiated systematic method to classify organism, and fungi are placed in separate kingdom, and this classification is more natural. Now, what are the disadvantages? The placement of organisms like Euglena, bacteria, and fungi in plant tea, it is questionable due to certain reasons. And what were the disadvantages of five kingdom system? There is no place for viruses. There is diversity in kingdom Protista, and dissimilar organisms must not be kept in same group. So this was about two kingdom system and five kingdom system. As we discussed that two kingdom system was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus and five kingdom system was proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1969. And there are some advantages like plants and animals, they were divided into kingdom based on a specific characteristic. Means organisms which are autotrophic, so they will classified in kingdom Plantae. And animals, all unicellular as well as multicellular organisms, they were kept in kingdom Animalia. And for five kingdom system, prokaryotes got separate kingdom because they are different from other organisms. Disadvantages, as we discussed, that placement of organisms like Euglena, bacteria, and fungi in plant tea is questionable due to certain reasons. And there is no place. Disadvantages of five kingdoms, there is no place for viruses. Why? Because viruses, they are having both characteristic like living and non-living, like plant and animal. So why? They are having no characteristic like plant or animal. They are different from plant and animal. They are neither considered as living, neither considered as non-living. So why they are excluded from five kingdom system of classification. Now next one question is, write down distinguishing characteristic of five kingdom of living organism. Distinguishing characteristic, for this question we will have to draw the lines. So first, kingdom, cell type, nuclear envelope, cell wall, mode of nutrition. Now kingdom Monera. In this kingdom, all prokaryotic, unicellular or colonial organisms are involved. Nuclear envelope, here nuclear envelope is absent because they are having no true nucleus and membrane bounded organelles, so why nuclear envelope is also absent. Their cell wall is made up of polysaccharide and amino acid. We can say that their cell wall is made up of murine. Mode of nutrition, autotrophic, they are autotrophic or heterotrophic. Now Protista, eukaryotic, unicellular, colonial, simple, multicellular organisms are in this group. A nuclear envelope is present and their cell wall is made up of different chemicals. Their mode of nutrition, they are photosynthetic or heterotrophic or combination of these. Now kingdom fungi. In kingdom fungi, eukaryotic, unicellular or multicellular organisms are involved. Nuclear envelope is present. Their cell wall is made up of chitin and they are heterotrophic because they cannot prepare their food. They are dependent on other organisms. Kingdom plantae, they are eukaryotic, multicellular. Nuclear envelope is present. Their cell wall is made up of cellulose and polysaccharides. And mode of nutrition, they are photosynthetic and autotrophs because they can prepare their food. Animalia, they are eukaryotic multicellular organisms. Nuclear envelope is present and they are having no cell wall. Cell wall is absent in case of kingdom Animalia. They are heterotrophic because they cannot prepare their food. They are dependent on other organisms. Now, we will discuss about viruses. Viruses, this question come in different ways. For example, why viruses are excluded from five kingdom system, what is the status of virus in five kingdom system, or discuss living and non-living characteristic of viruses. Viruses are excluded from five kingdom system because they are neither animals nor plants. They are unique particles. Next heading, they are unique particles. Viruses are unique particles. They are not included in classification system. They are considered to be on borderline of living and non-living things. Living characteristic, due to following characteristic, they are considered as living. They are having DNA or RNA. They are having ability to reproduce. They live as parasite and cause diseases in them. They use the metabolism of the host cell in which they live. Obligate parasite, viruses are inactive outside the living host cell and they show life functions only inside the host cell. Now, non-living characteristic. They cannot be respired, they cannot be excrete. So, it is the non-living characteristic of organisms. Can crystallized. They cannot be respired, they cannot be excrete, and it is the characteristic of non-living things. Can crystallize, viruses can be crystallized, and this is a property of non-living things. And in crystal form, they can be stored for indefinite period of time without any loss of reproductive ability. But when crystallized viruses are placed in favorable condition, they start reproducing. Now it's the diagram in exam. Diagram also is included. So draw and label the diagram of virus. So for virus diagram, you have to label all these headings. Protein coat, sheath, its sheath, okay, SHEATH, sheath, core and cell wall. Hope you all will be understand. Inshallah, I will discuss next question in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.